Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the Fall Feel Good Friday shout out. And I am here to shout out Chef Eugenio from our Culinary Education Center, who is working out of our Tinton Falls satellite location. I just want to shout out Chef Eugenio. He has been so energized, so positive, working with our culinary education students to put out a really great product for lunch service. So he and his students are providing box lunches to our district students. He's also providing lunch to the faculty over at Tinton Falls, and he is getting ready, him and his students and Chef Muley are getting ready to open up to the public to also provide lunch service to our stakeholders in the community. So awesome job, Chef Eugenio. Not only are you providing direct instruction, but you're also giving targeted feedback, and you are doing it all with a smile on your face. So great job. Have a great weekend, and thank you for feeding all of us.